Namaste JVM. I am Dr. Mohammad Miraj Alam, Assistant Professor of Economics, Faculty of Education and Methodology, Jyoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University, Jaipur. In the today's session of this video, I will discuss about one of the very important topic of economics, that is factors of production. As we all are aware that factors of production is very important for any production process. Okay. You may also call it agent of production, right? Factors of production is also known as agent of production. Without agent of production, we cannot assume to produce anything, right? Of any country's national wealth or national income or economic growth depends upon the supply of factors of production of that particular country. So, particularly in this session of this video, I will discuss about the factors of production. Okay. Now let's start. Factors of production. Factors of production. As we all are aware that there are four important types of factors of production. I think you all are aware that you have already studied in the lower standard in the previous classes, right? Such as in the 12th classes, and someone studied also in the before 10th as well. This is a very common topic, and I think you must are aware about it. There are four important type of factor of production, such as land, labor, capital, and fourth one is entrepreneur. These are the four important factors of production, right? Without these four important factors of production, we cannot assume to produce anything. For the production of anything, we require these four elements, or you can say these four agents of production, right? Now, we will discuss one by one, right? I will discuss first about the land. This is the first type of, this is the most important factor of production for producing anything, because if we are going to establish an industry for the production of anything, for the establishment of industry or a manufacturing unit or a firm, we need and we require a piece of land where we would like to establish our manufacturing unit and manufacturing plant. So land is the prerequisite criteria for the establishment of any manufacturing process. Okay, and in against of the land, if we are going to hire a land or going to purchase a land, against the purchasing of land, we have to pay some amount of payment. We make some amount of payment in against the land. This payment is known as rewards of the factor. We have acquired all the factor of production for the production of anything. For the hiring of factor of production, for the hiring of any one of these four important factor of production, we have to pay the reward. Okay, we have to pay the rent of that particular factor of production. So, if we are going to hire a land, we will pay rent in against the hiring of land, right? These rewards known as rent. If we are hiring a piece of land, we have to pay rent, right? In the form of rent. We are going to make a transaction in the form of rent, right? Such as if we are going to hire, and this is the second important, labor is the second important factor of production, right? Like without land we cannot produce anything. If we are able to get the piece of land where we are going to establish a manufacturing unit, with the land we need also labor, right? Without labor we cannot run any industry or any factory or anything we can't produce, right? So labor is the another important factor of production, right? So for the hiring of labor is not as much as easy as we think, but we have to bargain with the different group of labor for their wages, right? For their working hour, for their amenities and perks, for their charges per hour, per day and per week, per month and so on, right? If we are hiring a labor, we have to make certain type of payment in against their working hour. This payment is known as wages, right? This payment is known as wages. Apart from land and labor, we have also required and we need also require capital. Okay, capital is the third most important factor of production which requires in the production process, right? For hiring of both these land and labor factor of production, we need capital, right? Capital, what do you understand about the capital? Capital, some may refer it as a money, someone refer as a machinery, and one talking about it is a punji. You know, it's a Hindi. It is known as a punji, right? For hiring land, or labor, we need some amount of capital, which are required on the daily basis to run an industry on the right? To making a payment to the labor on the daily basis, to making the rent of the land, we need capital on the one hand, right? To make all this arrangement. So, if we are hiring capital, for hiring the capital, we have to pay interest. We have to make a certain amount of interest to hiring the capital, right? To hiring the capital, we have to pay some interest, because we cannot supply capital from ourselves. We have to hire some amount of capital from a bank, from a company, from a government, and from anyone. If you want to take a loan from any financial institution, such as any commercial bank or financial institution, they will charge a certain amount of rate of interest. You have to pay rate of interest time to time for your capital which you are hired for the production process. Now come to the fourth important type of factor of production, that is entrepreneur. Entrepreneur, someone called it as a manager. In fact, entrepreneur is a person who are managing all the three important factor of production. Those who manage and organize remaining three factor of production, such as land, labor, and capital. Right? It is a kind of managerial position. Those who have the ability to run an organization or industry or a company. The role of entrepreneur is most important among all these factor of production, because without entrepreneur we cannot assume any production process in economic sense. Okay, thank you so much. In the next session of in next part of video, I will discuss remaining part of this topic. Okay, thank you so much.